Morning guys, today on Rust Boxes and Profits I'm going to be trying to fix some lacquer peel on the Audi. Currently looks like this. Okay, so here you can see the lacquer peel. You can actually see that there's a bit of paint missing as well. So I'm going to try to sand it down, spray it with the brilliant red and then re-lacquer it. Hopefully we'll get some of these other little stone chips here as well. And hopefully I can get it coming out like this, which I did a couple of weeks ago. Not bad for a non-professional paint sprayer from just Halford's cans, so it just shows you can actually do quite a lot yourself. So I'm just going to sand back the area now, initially with some probably 300 grit, and then gradually get finer and finer as we go, and I'll come back as in stages as we do that. I'm just going to wet the area up, and then as I say, I'm going to go a little bit further up and down. That's what she said, just to kind of blend it in a little bit. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see I've masked up all the area. I don't want to spray on it. No, this video is not sponsored by Amazon Prime, but they do very good masking bags that they do their shopping in, so thanks for that. And just going to start by spraying a very wispy light coat of the brilliant red, and then we'll go from there. That's enough initially, and then we'll give that a little bit of time to dry, and we'll come back and start building the coats up. Another 10 minutes. Just remember to give it a good shake. Get those arm muscles working before having another coat. While you're waiting, it's always good to have a cup of char, so cheers. Fuck, that's hot. Time for another coat. thinking maybe should have put an undercoat on, but it's a bit late now, so we'll press on regardless. Obviously it is a cold day, so I'm just going to give it a little bit of go with the heat gun just to set it off a little bit. That is as thick as I dare go. Right, so you come back to me and I have done all of the red to the fact that I've completely run out of paint, so I guess that'll have to do. And I'm now going to start the lacquer process, but before I do that I'm just going to show you what it looks like now I've done the red. So this is what it looks like with just the red, and I'm now going to give it a coat of lacquer. Just let it dry. Time for the reveal. See how terrible it is. I think that looks okay. Time to get a bit of obviously have to let it dry properly a couple of weeks, and then we'll give it a machine polish. Well, there you go. I think that's a pretty good job for an amateur. I hope you agree. Any advice or tips, or if you see what I've done wrong or you think it's terrible, then just give me some abuse in the comments. If not, thumbs up. Thanks very much. Bye.